Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prepping the slab so adhesive bonds properly. Clean with a degreaser and wipe dry. Once done, measure the slab width and height precisely and add a 1/2" to 1" overlap for trimming. You cut strips now so you avoid awkward seams while applying. Make sure the pattern aligns across strips. If it repeats, match the repeat before cutting. This early accuracy prevents rework and keeps edges neat when you apply the first strip. You apply the correct adhesive, choose one rated for non-porous kitchen surfaces, and spread it evenly with a roller or brush. Once the adhesive becomes tacky, position the top edge and let gravity help. Align the pattern and press the center outward toward the edges to push air out. Use a squeegee in overlapping passes and keep wrist pressure consistent so you don't overstretch the paper. If seams occur, double-check alignment, then smooth again. Accurate pressure keeps seams tight and invisible. You finish by trimming excess wallpaper with a straight edge and a fresh blade. Cut slowly so edges stay crisp. Once trimmed, seal the top and bottom edges with a thin bead of waterproof clear sealant or low-profile caulk to prevent moisture ingress. If bubbles appear later, lift a small section, reapply adhesive sparingly, and squeegee outward. If paper tears or pattern misaligns, replace that strip rather than stretch it. Finally, wipe away excess sealant and let the adhesive cure fully before use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.